So you've been down the trail already?
Yep.
Oh, good. Okay, perfect. So the big rock is gone.
The big rock?
Everybody was hitting a rock when they went through it, and they took it off.
Oh.
So I don't know if you ever encountered that or
no,
not.
I just started. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess it was hitting underneath the vehicles.
And people would
Causes
like.
a little bit of damage. Right?
Oh,
so,
I see. Okay.
So you put it on YouTube, or?
Yeah, I put it on YouTube. I upload
dope.
to some dealerships as well too.
Nice.
Like.
That's amazing.
I filmed a bunch of supercars, fast cars, muscle cars. This is like my first time off-roading, so
nice.
This has been interesting.
Amazing, yeah. Well, the Pathfinder is pretty good. The suspension, we're not too bouncy in it, so you'll notice it's fairly smooth.
Yeah, it feels different from the other one I just drove, actually.
What did you drive?
I was in the Kia.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Different.
Ooh, my bad.
No, you're okay. Different suspension, right? Like,
yeah.
Their suspension isn't as kind of, it's more of a not more off-road, not as sporty, but
oh, I see.
I noticed the wheels were coming off the ground on the
Kias.
That's a little scary, actually.
It is. It's interesting though, but it gives you a different perspective though.
Yeah, well, why the best way to decide what you want to buy is by doing some different driving techniques, right?
Exactly, so, man.
Everybody loves this car.
Bro, everybody does, man.
Yeah. It's pretty neat. But yeah, overall the I like the Path. My wife has a Rogue, but I like the Pathfinder. Like it's
pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
Practical.
Yeah.
This one's all-wheel drive as well. Like what transmission? Is it like an 8-speed automatic?
I'll double check, but I want to say at least 6.
Oh, okay.
But I'll double check. Yeah. Good question.
Yeah, because these like the stuff I talk about in some of my videos, right? I talk about the transmission.
Yeah, you do the walk around. Yep.
Yeah, walk around, how it feels.
Yep.
How the handling, this handling feels much nicer than the other one.
Yeah,
though.
It's not too stiff. It's got a little movement. What do you do? Just new cars reviews, or do you pre-own inventory as well?
Pre-owned inventory as well too.
Very good. Yeah, I find the digital the videos bring good SEO, like good SEO too, right? For people searching vehicles up. I mean, it gives some good search engine
like insight as well too.
Yeah,
exactly.
Everything. Just when you're looking at a vehicle, you know, if I live in North Bay and you're in Toronto, I can watch your video and get and be more comfortable with buying it rather than just seeing, you know, 30 pictures, right?
Exactly. Just 30 pictures really isn't enough to get you on board with the vehicle at all.
And it doesn't tell the story. It doesn't kind of give you the information, right? You work for a bunch of stores, or
a bunch of stores? Yeah.
Amazing, man.
It honestly started off as just me taking pictures of cars.
Right. Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Well, that's how it starts, and you know, in the States, like it's even bigger, like that market, like digital media and doing that kind of stuff, like for dealers in the States, because you know, you'll have a store here that sells 100 used cars a month, and you have a store in Tampa Bay that sells 900 used cars a month.
Exactly.
So if they can sell 30 more cars with what you do, I mean, it's amazing. Oh, it's got the lane. The lane keeping actually adapts to the road.
That's sick, actually.
Yeah,
wow.
yeah. See how it was curving?
It's trying to warn me that almost, hey, bro, you're almost going off road now. Are you sure you know where you're going?
That's right. Yeah, no, that's cool. Did you drive our cars on the hard track?
No, not yet. I'll be doing that tomorrow with some family. I'm bringing some family over tomorrow.
Yeah, so you can. I mean, you can get a golf cart. They'll shuttle you back, and you can go on the hard. We're on the hard track as well. So this is on there. I think all the vehicles. The Sentra, the Ultima, some people are real curious about those. We wouldn't bring them out here, obviously.
Oh yeah, they can't. They won't be able to do stuff like this. Yeah.
Scrape the bottom. ABS.
Oh, I'm slipping a little bit. Traction control light is coming on just a little bit.
Yeah, well, the ABS brake came on there. When you heard that,
yeah,
that's the ABS.
There it is.
I guess they got a 4-wheeler trail up here too.
Yeah, I feel like that one's like more of a ride along actually. Though.
Oh, it is? Okay. Did you do that one?
Oh no, not yet. Oh. I just came over with some friends.
Nice.
They have that huge van that's playing music for you guys over there.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we're just doing that. We're like, you know, let's test drive some cars while we're here, because why not? We're here.
Yeah, have some fun. Oh, why not? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And tomorrow and Sunday, like, you know, I would recommend early because it's going to be busy.
Oh, 100%.
They said this is my first show here. I've done other shows, but not this show. And they said the lineups are like a mile long.
Wow.
So we really try to do our best to, you know, people might have to wait, you know, a long time, whereas now it's like 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, because I feel like the Friday is usually like the best time to come over, to be honest.
Yeah. But if you get decent time tomorrow, you'll be good. I mean,
you'll be okay if you come in pretty early,
time,
though.
not too late.
Yeah.
And as long as the weather's okay, I mean, this is, you know, good weather for now. Nice breeze.
As long as it's not scorching hot, I'm happy, bro.
Yeah, 40 degrees. I think those days are few and far now.
Yeah, we had like those last 2 ones that were like scorching hot, though.
Yeah. What part of the city you live in?
Oh, I live in Whitby, actually.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I live in Bowmanville.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I've only really gone up here when the concerts, country music. My friends like country, so I would come up for that. But I've never really done the track here. Like, I have a friend that races her car around Tuesday nights, her Cavalier.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Z24, whatever you call it. So she'll race. Every night there's a different night. You can race your own personal car. So she does that stuff. So, you know, I went to see her like years ago do it, right? So.
That's good, actually, though.
Go-karts, it's pretty, a lot of stuff, you know, this is a good event, but they do a lot of cool stuff here.
Yeah, the go-karts is like for the kids as well, too, so they can
adults and kids, yeah.
Oh, it's adults, too?
Yeah, there's different ones you can do, yeah.
That's sick, actually.
I mean, they do kids camps, like in the summer, instead of going to sports camp, you can go to go-kart camp, which is pretty cool, spending a weekend, you know.
Driving fast with go-karts, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fun, man. Especially on the tracks, like they're customized for that. It's fun stuff.
Have you done like any of the supercar laps yet?
No, I haven't done any. To be honest, my friend has a Lambo that owns a body shop, and I can't even fit in it.
Oh.
Bro, I gotta lose like, and I've lost weight, I still can't fit. I gotta lose like an hour.
Bro, those cars are like super low to the ground, man.
Yeah, and
like,
they're whips, man. The way they drive them, they're so, like, the speed. But I'm a car guy. Like, I like cars. You know, I'd love to, you know, do it, but, you know, I don't know. I don't know if I'll squeeze in.
I know what to call it. I want to drive like a Ford Raptor eventually.
Nice.
Like those ones are really, really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's a tank.
Yeah, it looks like a tank.
Takes the bumps a little tougher, not as smooth, because it's a big, you know, it's a big vehicle.
High center of gravity and everything, man.
Like a little more, can kind of hear a little more. Like, it's not something you'd really probably off-road regularly, so.
That is true, man.
Yeah, man.
But anyway, man, it's been a pleasure talking to you, bro.
Yeah, man. Good chatting it up. I'm glad. Hopefully you got some good content.
Thank you, man.
And it's awesome.
Should I switch it off or not?
Yeah. Hit it off. Yeah.